Hey guys, what's up? And it's time to do a speed test comparison between the Vivo Y19 versus the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019. And the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019 comes with the Huawei Kirin 710F chipset with a 4GB of RAM, while the Vivo Y19 comes with a MediaTek Helio P65 chipset with 4GB of RAM, and both phones comes with a triple cameras on the back, and also both phones comes with the same 128GB internal storage. Very interesting to see who is perform faster and who is best for you. So let's get right into it. Both phones are is completely off, so let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. Here we go. Logo came up first on the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019, followed by the Y19. And both phones is running on Android 9, and we have this Huawei logo. And let's see who is perform faster when it comes to booting up. And you can see Huawei Y9 Prime 2019 is just a tiny bit faster there, and both phones comes with a full HD IPS LCD display. We have a Huawei full view display. It means we don't have any notch or any hole on the Huawei Y9 Prime versus a water drop notch. So let me show you the pop-up selfie camera, and you can see it is a very unique feature on the Huawei Y9 Prime. Everything is closed up in the background, and you can see no app is running in the background. And we're gonna start off by basic stuff. For first application we have is the phone dialer. Here we go. System based application that feels like a little bit fast on the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019, followed by the Y19. Let's open up the mic lock. Boom. And about the same on both phones. Let's see the calendar, and seems like a little bit faster on the Y9 Prime 2019. Let's opening up the calculator, and that is faster on the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019. We have a faster animation on the Y9 Prime 2019, so that is why I think it is faster. Let's see some more apps. We have Facebook, and that is huge faster on the Vivo Y19, followed by the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019. Let's see the Amazon shopping, same Wi-Fi network on both phones, and this time Huawei Y9 Prime 2019 is faster there, followed by the Vivo Y19. Let's see the scrolling, and you can see feels very smooth on both phones, no lag whatsoever. Let's opening up the Instagram, and about the same on both phones. Let's open up Spotify, and about the same on both phones, very same result. Let's see the WhatsApp, and that is faster on the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019 again. Let's opening up the Twitter, and that is faster on the Vivo Y19. So let's launch some games application, and first on the list is the Candy Crush Saga. Boom. And you can see Huawei Y9 Prime 2019 give you a full view display, and you can see Vivo Y19 is faster there, while the Y9 Prime 2019 is also done. Subway Surfer launching at the same time, and both phones is on their latest software version, and again faster on the Vivo Y19. So last game application we have is the Temper and 2, and again Huawei Y9 Prime 2019 is faster there. This time 2 games is faster on the Y19. And last I'm launching the cameras on both phones. Here we go. Faster, I say about the same on both phones, no difference here. Both phones comes with a wide, ultra wide, and also we have a depth sensor. Let me show you. Here is the normal on both phones. When you go to the ultra wide, it looks like this on the Y19, Y9 Prime 2019, and you can see. Let's see the internet browsing speed. I am using default Vivo internet browser on the Vivo Y19 versus a Google Chrome on the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019. So first website I'm gonna launching is the wikipedia.org, and same Wi-Fi network on both phones, and you can see about the same on both phones. Maybe Vivo Y19 is a little bit faster there. Let's see the scrolling, and you can see feels very smooth on both phones. Same thing with zooming in and out, no lag whatsoever. Next on the list is the gsmarina.com, and faster on the Vivo Y19 again, followed by the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019. So let's see the scrolling, You can see feels very smooth on both phones, no lag whatsoever. Let's see the RAM measurement on both phones. Both phones comes with a 4 GB of RAM, so very interesting to see who is perform better in the RAM measurement. We have a lot of apps in the background, phone dialer, refresh, and in my last speed test video, Vivo Y19 is performed really good. So let's see, and again refresh. Let's see the calendar, refresh, calculator, refresh, Facebook, that is not refresh, and let's see the Amazon shopping, again refresh, Instagram, again refresh, Spotify, that is refresh on the Y9 Prime 2090 but not on the Y19. Let's see the WhatsApp, let's see Twitter, and that is not refresh. Candy Crush Saga, that is refresh on the Y9. Subway Surfer, now let's see, and it is also refresh on the Y9 Prime, but it is not refresh on the Vivo Y19. So last we are back to the internet browser where we left, and you can see that is not refresh on both phones. Overall, I have to say that the app's opening speed is faster on the Vivo Y19, while the Y9 Prime 2019 is right behind to the Vivo Y19. RAM management is absolutely incredible on the Y19, but many applications refresh on the Y9 Prime 2019. I hope the RAM management will improve with some software updates in the future. And you can see this is a black color, and also we have a dual tone finish on the back, and you can see. So that's about it. Thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019 versus the Vivo Y19, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.